Welcome back, Kutis. In the previous class, we saw the story The Post Office. I hope you all are eager to listen to the stories, right? Okay, let us begin the story. Before that, I hope you all completed the activity in the Little Thinker book, coloring the post office. Do you all like to color this picture? Okay, very good. If you don't complete this activity, you can complete it by today and send it. Let us move to the story. What is the name of the story? The Post Office. What is the name of the story? The Post Office. So the post office is big building or small building? Yes, this is a big building. What color? Red color. Okay. Now let us read the story. Mrs. Kamala Ravi works in the post office. Who is Mrs. Kamala Ravi here? Yes, she is Mrs. Kamala Ravi. Where she works? She works in the post office. Next, the post office is a big red building with many tiny rooms. So, the post office is a small building or a big building? Yes, big red building with many tiny rooms. What is mean by tiny? Tiny. Tiny means very small. So, in this post office building, there are many small rooms. They are doing different types of jobs inside the rooms. Let us see in the story, okay? The post office is a very busy place. It is always busy inside the post office. Let us see who all are working in the post office. Okay? Next page. See, there are many people working in this post office. See, the post office is very helpful for us. Okay, it helps us in many ways. We can send our letters and receive our letters through the post office. It is the branch of the Indian Postal Department. Okay, the letters were sent and received through messengers across the country. Nowadays, we are not at all sending letters, no, we are using the phone to make communicate through the countries. Okay, everything has changed nowadays. Okay, so many employees works in the post office. See, let us see in this picture a delivery boy, stamp, mailing section, and collecting the order section. Many types of people work for the post office doing different jobs. Okay, I already told you what they are doing is called jobs or occupation. Many people comes to the office every day. Okay, see what is the work of Kamala inside the post office? Kamala collects letters and parcels from people who visit the post office. So, what is the work of her? To collect the letters and parcels from the people who are all coming to the post office. Okay. Every day, Kamala sits at her desk in front of the computer. She is sitting in front of the computer and doing her work daily. Okay, what work she is doing? To collect the letters and parcels from the people. Okay, see, on her, this is her desk. On her desk, what are the things lying down? Pen, eraser, some papers, files, pencil, stapler. Some machine is there. What machine? Let us see. On her desk, she has a few pens, a few files, some papers, and a giant stapler. What is mean by giant? Giant means very big. So the stapler is very big. Okay. She also has a small weighing machine. I told you some machine is there. What machine? Weighing machine. What is the use of this machine? To put the weight for the parcels they are using in the post office. Next, visitors with boxes and letters stand in a line to meet Kamala. See, many visitors are there. They are waiting in a line to meet Kamala. See, they are carrying some boxes, some letters to give it to Kamala. Some are old, some are young, some carry big boxes and some carry small ones. So, whoever is visiting the post office, they carry some boxes as parcels and letters. Okay, see, some are old, some are young. Okay, they are carrying some boxes, big or small, many types. See, here, next page, here's Malati. Who is Malati here? Yes, she is Malati. Malati works at the flower shop. Where she is working? She is working in the flower shop. Next door, next to the building post office, she is working in the flower shop. So, I already told you who is working in the flower shop to sell the flowers. They are called, very good, florist. What is their name? Florist. Okay, so Malati is a florist here. Okay, she has a small box in her hand. Do you look at it? See, she is carrying a small box. What is that box? Let us see. She wants to send a parcel to Delhi. Where she want to send the parcel? To Delhi. She is sending her best friend a birthday gift. Oh, she is sending this gift box to her friend who is in Delhi. So, birthday gift for her friend. See, she is her friend. Okay. Next, Kamala carefully weighs the box. She is weighing the box in the weighing machine. That will be 100, please. She says, who? Mrs. Kamala Ravi says, that will be 100, please. Malati pays her and says, thank you. See, Malati gives the amount and then she moves on. Kamala enjoys her job. Everyone will enjoy their job, right? So, like that, Kamala is also enjoying her job. She likes helping people. See, this is the end of the story. I hope you all like this story. Do you all? Okay, children. So, at the end of the story, we are having some types of stamps all over India. This is the types of stamps. Some of them will collect the stamps and some of them will collect the different types of coins all over India. So, these are the stamps, variety of stamps in India. Okay. Now, we will go to the book activity Little Thinker, page number 21. Shall I read the title? Okay. Fill in the box with the correct naming word. So, some clues are given in this clue box, yellow color box. See here. I will read out the clue box first. Postal worker. First one, postal worker. Second, post box. Second, post box. Third one, post office. Third one, post office. Next, florist. Florist. Next, flower shop. Flower shop. Last one, letter. Okay. See the first picture. It has written MAIL, mail. Weighing machine is there. Some boys collecting the parcel. So what will be this picture? Very good. Postal worker. He is a postal worker who is working in the post office. Yes, post office. He is working in the post office. So he is a postal worker. You have to write this answer in the given box provided here. Next, second picture. Find out the picture what it is. What picture is this? What building is this? Yes, post office. Very good. You have to collect the answer from this clue box and then write it here in the space provided. Third picture. See this. What is this? Very good. Post box. You can write in the space. Post box. Fourth picture. Some girl is standing in the flower shop. She is selling the flowers. So who she is? She is a florist. Very good, children. Write down the answer here. Next, what is this? This is the letter. Letter. Write the answer in the given space. Last picture. See, in the shop there are many flowers. So what shop maybe this is? Yes, this is the flower shop. Very good. See, you complete this activity by today or you can do it tomorrow. See, this is very easy. You can see the clue box and then see the picture. You have to write the correct naming word in the given space provided here. After completing this page, turn to the next page, page number 22. See, I will read the title here. Read the pictograph and answer the questions below. See, this is the pictograph. Okay. Mr. Postman recorded the number of letters he delivered this week. Okay. Note. Here they have given the note here. What is that? Listen. Each letter stands for one letter. See, each picture. This is the letter picture. No. So each picture stands for one letter. Okay. So they have given the day column here. Number of letters delivered column here. I will explain you clearly. Before going to the activity, let us know what is a pictograph. A pictograph is a way of showing data or information using images. Okay. Some pictures are given in the pictograph that shows some information about that particular things. Okay. Each image stands for a certain number of things. Okay. Each image stands for a certain number of things. Let us go into the pictograph example. Okay. The same thing I have mentioned here in this picture. See, I have given here clearly. This is the day column. In this day column, what is given here? What are the days? Shall we say? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I hope you all know this days, right? So, these are the days given here. Number of letters delivered in each day. Monday means how many letters? Tuesday means how many letters? Wednesday means how many letters? Thursday, how many letters? Friday, how many letters? You can count it. Okay. Next. We are going to answer this pictograph using this picture, image. I'll help you. Okay. See. Now I will read it once again. You can understand now clearly what is pictograph and what they are asking to do. Read the pictograph and answer the questions below. Mr. Postman recorded the number of letters he delivered this week. So, a postman recorded this observation using the pictograph. Okay. So, note he has given each picture stands for one letter. One envelope cover means one letter is there. Okay. So, on Monday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of letters delivered in Monday. Like that Tuesday, 2 letters delivered in Tuesday. Like that they have given Now we are going to answer the questions below. Are you all ready? I'll help you till the end. Okay, Kanna? Let us begin. See the same picture. I have repeated again for your better understanding. See first. Take the Little Thinker book, page number 22. See the first question. See the first question. How many letters did Mr. Postman deliver on Monday? Once again, I will read the question. How many letters did Mr. Postman deliver on Monday? See, this is the Monday column. We can count the number of letters in the Monday column. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, how many letters are there in this box? Yes, very good. 6 letters are delivered in Monday. Okay, what day is this? Monday. What day is this? Monday. So, how many number of letters received in Monday? Delivered in Monday? Very good. 6 letters. So, you have to write the answer 6 letters. Okay. You can write it as sentence with the help of your parents, or you can write only 6 letters. Okay, Kanna? Let us go to the second question. See, write the answer here. First question, how many letters did Mr. Postman deliver on Monday? So, you have to count the letters and write it in the first one. First dash. Okay. Next, second question. See the second question. On what day Mr. Postman deliver fewest letters? How many? Again, I'll read this question. On what day Mr. Postman deliver fewest letters? How many? Okay. See the picture. On what day did Mr. Postman deliver the fewest letters? See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Delivered letters has been given in this column. In which day fewest letters are there? Small amount of letters in which day they collected, delivered. Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. So you have to find out from this 5 days and then write the answer in the second column. On what day did Mr. Postman deliver the fewest letters? See, you have to see this picture and then find it. Okay, you have to write what day, Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, and then how many. You have to write that also. Next. Third one. On what days Mr. Postman deliver the same number of letters? How many? Again, I'll read for you. On what days did Mr. Postman deliver the same number of letters? How many? See, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In these days, in which days postman deliver the same number of letters? So, 1 or 2 days, the letters are repeated in the same way. Delivered letters are same in 1 or 2 days. So, you have to find that days and then write it in the third one. And you have to mention how many letters. Okay, see for example, Monday how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any other day is having 6 letters? No. So next we can go for Tuesday. 1, 2. So 2 letters on Tuesday. So any other day is having 2 letters? No. Next we will go for third one, Wednesday. How many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So any other day with 5 letters? Let us check. Monday 6 letters, Tuesdays 2 letters. So Wednesday I count 5 letters is there. Thursday how many letters? 1, 2, 3. So this is not the same. Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 days are having the same number of delivery letters. Let us check. Wednesday see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on Wednesday. Okay, next Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Wednesday and Friday there are same number of letters delivered. So we have find the answer and we have to write it in the third dash. See, we find the answer on what days Mr. Postman deliver the same number of letters? Wednesday and Friday. How many letters? Here also 5 letters. Wednesday, Friday also same number of letters 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write Wednesday and Friday. The number of letters 5. How many letters? 5. We have to mention in this dash. Okay, children. Last one. See, Mr. Postman delivered 7 letters on Saturday. Okay, draw the correct number of letters in the space provided. Do you understand the question, children? See, on Saturday they have given empty space in this Saturday, right? So, Mr. Postman delivered 7 letters on Saturday. How many letters delivered on Saturday? 7 letters. So what you have to do here, draw the correct number of letters in the space provided. In this space, how many letters you have to draw? Yes, the postman delivered 7 letters in this Saturday. So you have to draw 7 envelopes here in this space provided. So you have to complete this activity also by today or tomorrow. Okay, children, don't forget to complete the activity then and there so that you will be able to understand the concept each and every day what ma'am is teaching. Okay, Kanna? Okay. Let me see in you in the next class. Thank you.